Estella from Faye. In case you don't know, Faye is Greek for food. So today I'm showing you how to make a mosaic roll. I just jumped on live with making salami. It's a chocolate salami. It's called mosaic because it sort of has a mosaic pattern. So you can see that there. It's like an actual log. It actually looks like a salami. But once you decorate it, it looks beautiful. And then what I'm going to show you after that is how to just cut it up and coat it and make it into some beautiful bite-sized sort of portions. What do you think of that, guys? Does it look pretty? That's just got basic nuts on it, but like I said, you could put anything you want on there, or like serve it plain, or do a mixture of like white chocolate and normal chocolate, or dark chocolate, or however you want to present them. But I just think it's a nice way to present them and give them out. And it's a nice treat, especially if you had like a party or something. I think the kids would like to pick it. So this step. So I just cut them thinly because it is very sweet and you just don't want too much. And it's actually better to use this log straight out of the freezer. So mine's a little bit soft now because it's been sitting out while I'm doing the video. I'll just cut a couple pieces so you can see. And so it's as simple as that, okay? So you just cut them, and then this is what I'm gonna put into the chocolate. So I melted the chocolate in my Thermomix and then I put it in a bowl. To keep the chocolate warm, I've just put a bit of another bowl underneath with some hot water underneath, just so the chocolate can stay warm while I was doing the video. But usually if you do it straight through the Thermomix, it should be, you know, if you melt it in the Thermomix, it should be fine. Those instructions are already on my website if you don't know how to melt chocolate in your Thermomix. Really, really easy. If you want thinner chocolate, because I've left it nice and thick, if you want it to be thinner, add some like kofa, or you can add coconut oil if you don't mind the coconutty flavor, or you could even add like the coconut butter, or just something to help it thin out a little bit. But kofa is probably the one that doesn't have the flavor of the coconut, and more commonly used. Or even some cream. You could use some cream and just cook that through and thin it out. But yeah, really easy. So I literally would just like, because it's a little bit melted, I'm just gonna pop it into the bowl and then use some forks to turn it over. And then just let it drip. Okay, so once it's dripping it, see that dripping? You can just put that straight onto some baking paper. I'm gonna move this over now. Just give me 1 second. I'm hoping you guys can see this. You can see it there, right? The edges need a little bit of fixing at the moment because the chocolate was so hot, it's melting it. Just fix it a little bit with your fork. And that's it, guys. As good as that. And then if you want to add your nuts or anything, so it has some sort of texture or something on it, this is when I would add it. Add it while it's still wet and still soft. Otherwise, it obviously won't stick. And then I throw this on a tray and shove it in the freezer. Again, leave it until it goes hard, and you're as good as gold. Just use some baking paper so you can wrap them and they can hold it so it doesn't melt on their hands when they're eating it. Well, you can do whatever you want, but that's just an idea of a way to serve it. Hopefully that's some ideas for you of how to make these logs into little bite-sized pieces. Hopefully you like that. In case you've just jumped on, I just want to show you the finished product. It was just a mosaic roll, which you can see, which is all the mosaics from the biscuits. An awesome little treat. It is a sweet little treat. I hope you like it. If you go to Greece, this is definitely one that you'll be eating on the Greek islands, on the beach. Definitely one you have at one of the coffee shops there. It's just always at a coffee shop. The good coffee shops have them. So I hope you like the recipe. Please leave a comment if you watch the video. Thanks, guys. Thanks for jumping on with me. I'll chat to you soon. Bye.